Welcome in this OCR series, in which I will cover multiple OCR solutions. In this video, I will cover what is EasyOCR and how we can implement it in Python. EasyOCR is end-to-end multilingual optical character recognition solution. It is ready to use OCR with 40 plus languages, supported Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, and different languages. You can find this Python package from the following link. I will also provide this link in description. So you can say OCR is a task in which we extract text from image. For example, we have a sample image in which the text is written. We will extract this text from the image. So this is our sample image. Now first of all, create a new environment. So for this, open new terminal and open command prompt. So now create new virtual environment. For this, write Python mvnv and name of the environment, for example, OCR1. Press enter. So you can see that new environment is created. That name is OCR1. So now activate it. OCR1 backslash scripts backslash activate. Press enter. Now our new environment is activated. So now install EasyOCR pip install EasyOCR and press enter. EasyOCR package is successfully installed. It will take some time because it will also install some other packages. Now I will install one other package, that is IPY kernel, because I am using .ipynb file in Visual Studio Code. For this, I will install pip IPY kernel. Now IPY kernel package is installed successfully. Now change the environment. Now the OCR1 is our environment. Now first we will import EasyOCR. Then create a variable named reader equal to EasyOCR dot reader and select the language. Now we have English in our image, so write en and write result equal to reader dot read text and pass the image, that is image.png. You can see image is in the same folder. That's why I am writing image.png. Otherwise, you also mention its complete location. Now we will use for loop for bounding box, because result will give us three things: bounding boxes, text, and probability. And now we can print anything, for example, bounding boxes, probability, or text. I only want to extract text, so I will write text here and press shift enter. Now I am using CPU, but if you are using GPU, then it will be a faster. So you can see the results. So this is my image. So you can compare our result with image. So setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into visible. So almost it is doing well, but you can see what one thing is missing, that is India. There is one important thing. You can see that in image we have English text. So I mentioned en. If you have another language, then you can follow this link, and according to your language, you can set language here. In this way, you can easily implement EasyOCR in Python. In this series, I will also cover other OCR solutions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.